குழு குழு பொய்கள் சொல்லி என்னை வேள்வேன் அது தெரிந்தும் கூட என்பேன் மனம் அடியேதா எதிர்பார்க்கும்.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Limitless BWL. So today I have another Tamil/Indian get ready with me for you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the love you guys showed on my last one. I really appreciate it, and make sure to let me know down below and also give this video a thumbs up if you want me to continue doing these. So today's look is going to be on this look right here. So as you guys can tell, it's just like a kind of like a, I would say it's pretty glam. It's a glam look that you could wear to a wedding. You could really wear this look to like a reception at a wedding, or even just because, to be honest. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure to click that thumbs up button so I know, and also don't forget to subscribe. Another thing is, I know I rarely tell you guys where I get my outfits just because they're usually from Sri Lanka and stuff, but these earrings and this outfit is actually from here. So stay tuned till the end of the video where I will be sharing with you guys where I got all this stuff. So saying that, let's get straight on into the video. Okay guys, so I already did my eyebrows and I am not having a good eyebrow day today. So let's get straight on into the complexion. This complexion is going to be very similar to my last one, just because it's kind of like a go-to look I go to when I am doing kind of like a bronzy look. So saying that, if you guys don't want to watch the whole complexion part, you can always skip through to the eyes, but if not, let's continue. So we're gonna go ahead and color correct our face. Luckily I don't have my stupid sharpener here, so yay. But I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation today, so I don't have to color correct too much just because it is dark for me, so that's fine. Of course under the eyes, you guys know the drill. Oh my god, I can't do anything with this blouse, like the way it is. Oh my gosh. Let me try to like at least with my right hand. Okay. Oh my god, that hurts even more. Now we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Mocha Fauxfilter foundation. And as you guys know, the foundation doesn't match me perfectly. I don't have one that matches me perfectly, but we're gonna make it work. So as you guys know, Cover FX matte setting powder is like my go-to, and if you're gonna go anywhere and you're oily, this powder is going to save your life because it's going to keep you so matte, especially if you have concern in your smile lines and like your T-zone. Like, this is my go-to powder. Like, if I don't wear this, I will be sad and I will think about it the whole time I'm out. I'm like, why did I wear? Like, it makes a huge difference in my makeup. So now that we did that, we're going to go ahead and do our concealer. Today I'm going to be using something different. I am going to be using the Kat Von D concealer, the Lock-In concealer in the shade Warm. While that kind of sits, we're just going to go ahead and contour our face with using none other than the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour powder in Grwm. I do want to test out new contour powders because I'm always using this one. So if you guys have any that you really love and you're kind of close to my complexion, please let me know down below. This has become my new favorite contour brush. This is the Sigma small contour brush in the F05. Like, I love it. You guys can even see it's like dirty. Like, I use it all the time. So well, that's it. So we're just going to contour. We're going to make sure to really contour because our hair is up, and you know, my chubby face, I just want it to look a little summer. And I'm going to blend this out with my fingers because I don't like to let this or this sit as much as I do my under eyes. I'm going to have to be sure to contour this forehead. Of course, good jawline because your hair is up. Now we can go ahead and blend out our concealer. Ooh, I love that color. Why haven't I used this on my eyes? I mean, my under eyes all the time. I love that color. Look how warm and bright it looks. I just hate putting product on my forehead. You guys know that. It's just like, it gets so patchy for me. So now that we did that, we can just like, you know, chill for a bit. Just like let it just sit there for a bit. Then we're gonna go ahead and just dust off the bottom. I always take this off way faster than I do the rest because it could leave like a really nasty cast on your face. Oh my god, it looks a little muddy over there. Oh my god, Lippy always talks like that. Now I talk like that. I bet you talks like that. I love this concealer. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be my new go-to. We're gonna be using Anastasia's bronzer in Mahogany, my new go-to, and I've been loving this brush with it, the Anastasia A19 brush. Next for blush, we're going to be using Seduction by Nars, and we're just going to pair this up with our contour just to give a little bit more depth. So when you do that, you want to just align it right with it. For highlight, we're going to be using none other than my baby, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sundipped Glow Kit in a bronze. I just realized I bought the Huda one. It might have been perfect for this, and I forgot, so we'll use that in our next video. But just like, I could never get over this. Okay guys, so time for the eyes. I've already set my eyes. I will do a video on that very soon for you guys, as I mentioned earlier. But now we're going to go ahead and do the eyes. We're going to use the Soft Glam palette mainly, along with like one other shade from the Subculture palette. But let's just get straight into it. We're going to start off with my favorite shade ever, Sienna, using the Sigma E40 as always. And we're going to really extend this out. I usually like to extend my eyeshadow out for videos just because, for eyeshadow looks, just because I like that extended eye look. We're going to go in with Cypress Umber, which is that brown shade, with a smaller blending brush. This is a tapered blending brush, E35, and we're going to focus this more into the crease. We're going to go in with this single eyeshadow, also from ABH, in the shade Deep Plum. You guys know this is my favorite brown. And I do like Cypress Umber, but it's not giving me that like rich brown look that I am going for. So we're just going to go ahead and apply that. See, like that's just so much deeper. Put the same brown right on our eyes here as well. We're going to go back in with Sienna and just like blend all that out. So next for my favorite gold eyeshadow ever. This is the shade Adored in Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I love this shade. I find that this shade works best with your fingers, but I'm going to apply with the brush first and then top it off with my fingers. Oh, I'm just gonna... Actually, I'm such a liar. It looks so good without your fingers too. Like with a brush. I'm going to go in with the black eyeshadow. You could really use whatever you want, but I'm just going to be using the black from the Soft Glam palette, and we're just going to deepen up the outer corner just a little bit. You could definitely stop here if you want, but I just wanted to make it a little bit extra smoky. And we'll blend it out after. So here it is. So far, I'm just gonna go ahead and do some liner, put my lashes on, and I will be right back. I would do my liner on camera, but honestly I haven't done liner in so long, so I feel like I'm gonna mess up, so I'm just gonna do both and I'll be right back. So I have a pair of lashes on, which I'm really not liking. I had a super dramatic pair, but then it looked too weird, just like in terms of the camera. Like for pictures it looks better, so I'm kind of sad about the lashes I have on. I feel like it's really bringing down the look, but it's okay. I was pretty sure they were my Huda lashes, but I don't know if I put the wrong lashes in here. I don't know, they just don't look the same. They look a little flat, but I tried putting mascara on it, but it's supposed to be my Huda Scarlette. Whatever, life goes on. So now let's go ahead and do the bottom and smoke it out. We're just going to take our Marc Jacobs highlighter in black color, and just line your eyes. If I do eyeliner on eyeliner on this side, it waters so bad. I don't know what it is. So we're gonna go ahead with the Deep Plum and just like smoke out the bottom. Once I did that with the brown, we're gonna really tight line it with the black that we used earlier, and we're just gonna take it really close to the waterline. But we're not going to bring this all the way in. We're just going to keep it until like the outside of our pupil. Okay guys, so I tried to fix my inner corner liner and I messed it up so bad. There's like a big jagged line there. I tried to kind of mimic both sides, but I'm not going to mess up this side just to get as messed up as the other side. So we're just going to leave it. Can't fix it. That's something I can't fix. So we're just going to leave it. We're going to go ahead and put some Super Fat Mascara by Smashbox on our bottom lashes. for the final step, which is lips, we're going to be using the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in Vampira along with Avenue by Colourpop Cosmetics. Okay guys, so I changed my lipstick. I am now wearing LAX because the other one just didn't go for me. It was very red and I just didn't like the look of it, so the Colourpop LAX instead, just that. And also my lashes, I went home and I found my Huda lashes, so that's what I got on right now, and I like how this looks so much better. So saying that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on everything else and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and as said earlier in the video, I can actually tell you guys where I got this stuff because I did get it from Canada. So these earrings are from Side Trading. They're super duper heavy. Like after a certain while I have to take it off, but I just love how like they're beautiful earrings, as you can tell. And then this sari is actually like an old sari. This is from RSM, so I got this a long time ago actually, so I don't know if they're gonna still have it, but I really like the sari, and it's obviously not like pleated properly. It should be like this. I just have it hung on my shoulder right now. But yeah, and I like to I wore this look a couple of times. This is probably the sari that I wore the most in my life actually, but I always have my hair up when I do it just because it has like a high neck and the blouse is like fully embroidered and stuff. It's really beautiful. The sari is literally just like this the whole way. It's just like a plain sari. So saying that, this is the final look. Of course you can wear this to like anything you really want, but let's just name this kind of like a wedding get ready with me. And saying that, I really hope you guys like this video. Continue to make sure to click that thumbs up button if you guys want to see more Indian get ready with me, and also let me know down below what you guys would like to see next in terms of these get ready with me's as well. And saying that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I can't wait to take this off. I can't wait to take this off.